Okay, in this next step, we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to remove or replace the IC board, which is located right here. And we're actually going to go ahead and remove the zip tie. You know, you may have a zip tie or you may have a twist tie, depending on what it is. You're going to go ahead and remove that. Now, if you do have a zip tie, you're going to need to actually cut it off, but make sure that you're not going to damage any wires. So make sure that you take your time with that. So we're going to locate the twist tie, which is right here. And we're going to go ahead and take that off. So we can actually see more of the wires of where everything's going. Okay, once you get this out of the way, kind of spread these wires around so you can see each individual wire. Once you got that, now we're actually going to go ahead and remove the IC board. Now we're going to leave everything plugged in because we actually don't want to get confused onto where the wires go to onto the new IC board. So we're going to leave all the wires connected, and the next thing to do is to remove it from this bracket right here. And it's actually being held on the bottom side by these 4 screws right here. So these 2 inner screws hold it on each side. So we're going to go ahead and get these 4 screws out, which is going to remove the IC board from the inside. Okay, now that we remove the 4 bottom screws, as you can see now we have again access to the IC board. Now we can actually go ahead and begin to transfer the wires onto the new IC board. That's why we left them in place so we don't get confused. And basically I just go ahead and line up with the same orientation of the box. As you can see, we got the main control switch in the back, which is for the control switch, and then we have the motor and the powers and the lights. So we're going to start off with we can go ahead and start with the power, or no, we'll start off with the back control switch. So once you get that one out, go ahead and line it up to the new one. So that's that one. And then next we can go ahead and with the motor and line it up to the middle socket, which is the one right here. So we're going to line it up starting from this side to this side. We're going to go with the most outer one right here. Connect that one in. So there you go. And we're going to do the rest for the remaining connectors. Once all the connectors have been transferred over to the appropriate location, then we can go ahead and remount the IC board and replace all the parts back to the original place.